Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this natural go-to makeup routine that kind of went very well with this hair, the color of this hair. This is one of my natural go-tos. I just try to find the softest brown or the subtlest neutral color in a palette, and I use that just as my everyday go-to if I'm not applying eyeshadow with color or a design or idea in mind. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look, and if you want to see how I achieved it, just continue to watch. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this makeup routine. First, I'm going to prep my face with that good old Morphe Perfect Mist, and this is just going to get the base started before I start doing my face. First of all, Morphe spray itself, it just gives like that soft mist, and I love how it feels. It's a 10 out of 10. Okay, so because my hair is a little, it's like burgundy, brown, auburn color, it really was my red wig, but I had tried to do that apple cider vinegar hot water when your lace is tinted to try to like lift it. And so when I did it, it kind of like lifted the color from my hair. So it made it a little bit darker than it is the red. So some parts you can see the red, some parts you can't. So even though it's not fully red, we're going to color my brows, adjust them to my hair. So I'm going to go in with this Prune by NYX to kind of like color my brows first, and then what I'm going to do is go back in on top of that with a brown to like kind of like soften and darken the color so it can kind of match the hair. It's a little rough, but this is just like a base outline. So now we're going to like kind of like fill in. For a top coat on top of the brows, I'm going in with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just going to apply that to the brow. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette to use as my shade. Not really sure what I'm wearing, so I just want to keep it really natural, very soft, subtle. And I know my brows look really blocky right now, but trust me, by the end, we're going to fix it. So don't worry. And I think I want to go in with either Risky, Fawn, or Chestnut. Not really sure yet, but that terracotta looking cute too. We're gonna go in with that terracotta from that palette and see how that looks. It's not bad. I'm going to rotate out the eyeshadow as I go up so that way it can make it a softer blend. And as I'm applying it, that way it can transition and fade out and really make it a soft natural bead. And I'm using my Morphe M513 brush. Okay, nice little blend. I think I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, but let me go do this out of the way so that way we can be on the same page when I start applying different shades or darken the color. So I'm going in with the Risky now just to apply on top of the lid, just to make it a little bit more darker. It was doing right, but I just kind of wanted it a little bit more darker than what it was. So I just went in with that on top of the terracotta. And I'm just gonna go back and forth between the two shades just to continue to blend it and even it out until I get my desired look that I want. Okay. Next, we're gonna prep the face with some moisturizer. I'm gonna go with my Pond's moisturizer, and then I'm also gonna go on top of that with my e.l.f. primer. I'm going in with my Black Opal Rich Caramel, and I really am out of this, but I like this. So I'm trying to use the last little bit I have before I can't. This is like one of my favorite parts doing my makeup. Okay. Hopefully this looks a little better. If not, yeah, I'm sorry. I'll get my lighting together one day. Guess just not today. Let's bring some warmth back into this face, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much done with this look. I'm gonna go off camera and do my lashes and my lip, and I'll come back for the final look. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.